Meaning of disbursement.
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 Disbursement. The term disbursement refers to the payment of funds or distribution of money from a particular source to someone. This financial process involves allocating and transferring money to a designated recipient or account. Disbursements typically occur in the context of loans, grants, or reimbursement programs, where a specified amount of money is paid out based on certain criteria or conditions being met. The result of a successful disbursement is the timely and accurate delivery of funds to the intended recipient, ensuring that they have the necessary resources to complete their project or pay for their expenses.